We got Mom with us over there. We're gonna check it out, see what it's all about.
We go back up to the captain's hideaway to get some more work done, and then Mom comes for a visit.
So exciting, huh?
Yeah.
We discover some local sites and check out a bluegrass festival.
This is kind of a sad afternoon. We're finally taking our camper permanently out of our neighbor's yard, and it's really sad. And we're excited. It's a very exciting time because we finally have power and sewer, and hopefully we'll have water probably within the next few weeks. And so we're gonna move the camper over, and I think we're gonna leave her there somewhat permanently now. Definitely a bittersweet moment.
All right, here we go. First time plugging in. There we go. Oh yeah, we got power. Perfect. So exciting, huh?
Yeah. We've got our second guest coming to stay with us, another set of friends of ours, and they're going to take their trailer. They're going to take that around in the roundabout and put it in the third site. So let's see how they do.
All right, here we go. No problem with tail swing.
At all.
Yeah, they're pretty long looking.
Look at that. That was like cake.
Yep, sure was.
We're at the Bluegrass, was this the Bluegrass Festival in town? We got Mom with us over there. We're gonna check it out, see what it's all about.
So calm. We're at Steenhatchee Falls. There's a cool little hiking trail off the side here, right by the falls. This is nice.
So are these like little fishies.
Can't tell what that is. See that? You see them?
Those are water bugs.
Water bugs?
They call them water bugs.
They think you have treats.
I think you've got something for them.
Oh, aren't they friendly? Look how cute this is. Where's the baby? Oh my gosh,
Like
she's so
a couple of days ago.
cute. Hi. You're afraid. That's a big girl right there.
That must be the mama.
Hi. Hi.
in the next episode.
We got water.
Until next time, cheers.